How to disable autoplay on YouTube. Tired of videos playing one after another? Let's turn off YouTube autoplay feature. First of all, open the YouTube app from your home screen. In the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon and go to Settings, which is in the top right corner. Then go to Playback and toggle autoplay off. This applies to both Wi-Fi and mobile data unless adjusted separately. No more surprise videos. Autoplay is now turned off on your account. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.